Miss Rochelle is going to read a story today, and it's called Goodnight Construction Site. Let's see what they're building. Down in a big construction site, the rough trucks work with all their might to build a building and make a road and to get the job done, load by load. Look, they're working really hard. The sun has set. The work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. Some one by one they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads, then wake up to another day of rough, tough construction play. They're sleepy. I wonder who's going to go to bed first. Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching and stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. Look, you see the sun is going down. It's going to be dark soon. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight. Then cuddles up and says goodnight. Shh. Good night, crane truck. Good night. Spinning and churning all day long, Cement Mixer sings his whirly song. Now he's weary, so dizzy from the fun that's kept him busy. One last spin, he pours the load, he's ready to go to sleep. He takes a bath and gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute and turns off his light. He's cute, his engine, he slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh. Good night, Cement Mixer. Good night. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads, big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch. Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. Look, he's smiling. He's happy. He lowers his bed and locks his gate. Rests his wheels, it's getting late. He dims his lights and shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Shh. Good night, dump truck. Good night. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. It clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar. No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. Look, he is sleepy. He's done a lot of work today. Guess it's time for him to go to sleep. He puffs some smoke out his stack, turns off his engine and stops his tracks. He curls into a soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh. Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day, but now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig in soon. He'll roll to bed beneath the moon. He's working hard. He's getting sleepy. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh. Good night, excavator. Good night. These big trucks, so tough and loud, they work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow's another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engines, stop your tracks. Relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Construction site all tucked in tight. The day is done, turn off the light. Great work today. Now shh. Good night, construction site. All right, the end. Thank you for listening. Bye.